Alright, so the casters go in. They should just pop into place. Alright. Alright. So in this orientation here, we need no, just the first two holes. Okay. In which under tighten bolts. Make sure bolt holes are aligned. Armrest bolts. Nice. These are labeled, so you don't have to guess what goes where. And directions have some printed instructions on them, not just a picture like directions from some of those foreign big box guys. All right. There we go. All right. I think this one goes on this side. One. That seems to be a little off kilter in there. I'm not going to force that. And this one go here. Oops. All right, so my phone ran out of memory, and so I had to delete a bunch of files, and now I can kind of pick up again. It's fully assembled now, and I'm putting the headrest in here, and then the lumbar support. All right. So this is rechargeable, it looks like. I'll need to read the directions on that. But let's see here. So it's fully assembled. This took me roughly 20 minutes. And oddly enough, these covers here, these two here, and these two here, by far took the longest out of anything to install. Pretty serious pain in the butt to get those on. Everything else just went together really easily. So suggestion, keep the box. Makes a fantastic platform, clean, soft platform to work off of. Really easy to reach. And I'm not used to leaning over quite so much or bending over quite so much, so my back is a little bit sore now. So if I walk funny, that is why. But anyways, I'm looking at the rest of the instructions here. The chair does tilt all the way back through 180 degrees. Whoa, that's kind of sketchy. I'm going to have to get used to that. So the lumbar support does go down here on the bottom. That's this thing right here. I need to figure out everything about that. And then also this neck support here, head support, that doesn't feel like it belongs where it's at right now. So I'm going to, got to adjust that a little bit. Other than that, the chair is really comfortable so far. These raise up, they turn, just like my old chair did over here. They're in a position where they're comfortable, not too far forward, not too far back. And hey, I just wanted to say a quick thank you for taking the time to watch my video. If you'd like to see more videos, the link to my Amazon storefront is down in the descriptions, and I'd love it if you'd take a little walk over there, check it out. Have yourselves a fantastic day. We'll catch you later. Cheers, y'all.